Using the GitHub importer on SourceForge allows you to migrate your GitHub repository to SourceForge. Here's a step-by-step guide to using this tool. Access SourceForge. Log into SourceForge. Visit SourceForge and log in with your credentials. If you don't have an account, create one. Create a new project. Start a new project. Click on Create in the top navigation bar and select Create a project. Fill in project details. Enter a project name, description and other required details. Click Create Project. Open the Import tool. Navigate to the importer. Go to your newly created project's dashboard. Find the Import option. Click on Code in the left sidebar, then select Import Repository. Use GitHub Importer. Choose Import Type. Select GitHub as the repository type for the import. Authenticate with GitHub. You'll be prompted to log into GitHub and authorize SourceForge to access your repositories. Select Repository. Choose the GitHub repository you want to import. Complete the import. Start import. Follow the prompts to begin the import process. SourceForge will clone the repository from GitHub and set it up in your SourceForge project. Verify import. Once the import is complete, verify that all files, branches, and commits have been correctly transferred.